will share my screen so that you can be able to see what's going on. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
All right. So we'll start by reviewing day 1, and then we come into day 2.
Mm-hmm.
So let's review what we learned yesterday. And maybe you're the one who will take us through the review. Can you just take us through the review?
Okay. So, first of all, introduction means chakrok.
Mm-hmm.
My name is Niang. Niang.
What? It's what?
Niang.
No, Nying. Nying.
Ning.
Yes, Nying.
Ning.
Uh-huh.
My name is Tony. Is Ninga. Ninga and Tony.
Uh-huh.
And Anja Higni Apargi Achiel means I am 10 years old.
10.
I mean 11. 11, not 10.
And how does 11 write in there? How do you come up with 11 in the sentence?
Apar is 10.
Mm-hmm.
E connects them together, and Achiel is another one. So 10 plus 1 is 11.
Okay. Uh-huh.
Okay, so first of all, in greetings is Mosruk.
Mm.
Good morning is Oyare.
Uh-huh.
Good evening is Oimore.
Oh, correct.
How are you doing is Idinade.
Correct.
I am doing well is Adi Maber.
Yeah.
Goodbye is Oriti.
Yeah.
See you tomorrow is Waneno Rekini.
Wanenore what?
Kini.
Kiny, not kinyi.
Kiny.
Kiny.
Say hi to everyone means Mos Duto.
Mm-hmm.
See you soon means Abiro Neni Machigni.
Abiro neni machiegni.
Yeah, that's what I said. Abiro Neni Machigni.
No, your accent is different. Can you try it again?
Abiro Neni Machiegni.
Again?
Abiro Neni Machiegni.
Okay. Uh-huh. Now we counted 1 through 10.
Mm-hmm. 1 is a 2 is a Rio, 3 is a deck, 4 is a Ngwen, 5 is a beach, 6 is a Wuchiel, 7 is a Birio, 8 is a Boro, 9 is a Chico, and 10 is a Par. My age, which is 11, is a Par Chiel.
All right. So welcome to day 2. So day 2 would be Chieng Mar Ario.
Mm-hmm.
So that means day 2.
Okay.
Chieng is the sun. So Chieng Mar Ario might be the second sun, or something translated like that.
Okay.
So this is day 2. And in this day, we want to talk about where is my. I want us to talk. Where is my my notes? I've loved. I don't know where I put the notes. Hold on 1 minute. Okay, day 2. We shall focus on subject plus verb, or basic sentence structure. I think we shall learn about the basic sentence structure.
Mm-hmm.
That is, for example, I am going to school. I am going to church. I am going to the shop. I am going to the market. So the idea is, you see, I am going to is
Mm-hmm.
just one word.
Mm-hmm.
And that's the good thing about it, is this is just one word. And the word is, once you know what the word is, then you will know, all you need to do is know what school is. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And the word for I am going is, because I is a.
Mm. Mhm.
So going is the.
Mhm.
So I going, then you put school. And school is just school, like that. We just change the name.
Okay.
We just change the what the we just change the
You
what's the
you
what's the thing?
you change the three letters in the middle.
Yes, and then we put it as school. So the school. So can you start with the one for church? It will be
Uh, the uh.
now church is also the prayer place, huh?
Mhm.
And prayer means lemo. So church is lemo.
Adilemo.
Yes. Shop.
Mm.
So shop is duka. Now shop is a Swahili. Duka is not actually not a Luo word. Duka is a
Mhm.
Swahili word, and it's Swahili. I think because we really did not have like a we did not have a way of saying stuff like that, so
Mhm.
we just borrowed from the Swahili people. So
Okay.
adi duka.
Adiduka.
Yes. Then market is chiro.
Mhm.
Adi chiro.
Okay.
So I want us to remove all this. Just hold on. Let me white it out so that you do not see. And then you have to tell me what it means. It's easy, right?
Mhm.
That's a quiz right there.
Mhm.
Okay, so the first one. Say it and tell us what it means.
Adisikul. It means I'm going to school.
Uh-huh.
Adilemo. It means I am going to church.
Yes. And because church is a
Prayer place.
prayer place and prayer is lamo, that's how you remember, okay?
Adiduka is I am going to the shop.
Uh-huh.
And finally, Adichiro is I'm going to the market.
That's correct. So that's how you remember such stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Now, what else would you like to talk about where you're going?
I'm, I'm going to a house or something.
So I'm going to a house.
Mm-hmm.
House is ought. So can you write out the answer? House is ought. So what do you write? No, write the complete sentence.
Oh.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
And then I'm going to my friend. Friend is osiepna.
What did you say again?
Osiepna. That's it. So basically, these are really really basic because we are not putting in all the words, like we're not putting in all the filler words, because I just want you to find the structure first. Once you get
Mm.
the structure, then I will add it up, because add the Osiepna is not really the correct thing, but we shall come back to that and I'll let you know how it's done. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Good. So let's have like 10 things that you think, 10 normal things in the house, like table, chair, what else?
Toothbrush,
Toothbrush, what else?
bed,
Bed,
Wait, no, I already said table. Lamp.
Lamp.
Hmm.
Mhm.
Is there a word for couch? No.
Couch. Couch is chair. We shall leave it as chair.
Okay. Computer.
No, we shall not do computer. Let's do
Okay.
basic stuff that we used to have, like a stove,
Food.
food. Yes. What else?
Clothes.
Clothes. Yes. Water.
Mm-hmm.
Water. Uh-huh. What else?
Hmm. Fish.
What?
Wait, no, fish would go in food.
Fish would go into food, but let's just put fish.
Okay.
So I want to give you. Let's form a sentence using table. First of all, what sentence? Give me an English sentence. Type it in there.
Hmm.
English sentence using table. I'm eating on the table. Now the word table means mesa. Okay.
Mesa.
Yes. And eating means chiemo.
Mm-hmm.
Remember, I am. What did we say I am is?
Ah.
Ah. So can you write a sentence for I'm eating on the table? Because I've just said table means mesa,
Mm-hmm.
and then eating means chiemo.
What's on? Or do I just not worry on that?
Don't worry about that for now. Yes. So a chiemo mesa. But we have not done on
Yeah, we
the.
haven't done on the.
The word for on the will be and it's an e, just
Mm.
like that, and we call it e.
Okay.
Don't use the Luo. Don't use the English way. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
e
Eh.
means on the.
Mm-hmm.
So a chiemo e mesa. Say that.
Achiemo e mesa.
Yes, that's it. So let's get a sentence for chair.
Mm.
And the word chair means come,
Mm-hmm.
and seat means bait. So
Mm-hmm.
come and bait. Can you now create a sentence for that?
Okay.
That's it. Perfect.
Mm-hmm.
A bait, come. Say that.
A bit calm.
That's beautiful. All right, toothbrush. Create a sentence. So use is tiyo,
Mm-hmm.
and toothbrush is maswak. Maswak.
Mm-hmm.
So can you create your words?
Do I just use Theo first?
I I am is the same thing. So
Okay.
what do you say? Yes. So you can see that in this instance, maswa could not be correct because that would be I am using on the toothbrush, right? Which would
Mm-hmm.
not be a nice statement. But we shall use the word gi.
Mm-hmm.
Gi, gi in this position now represents the
The.
toothbrush. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
A tiyo gi maswak. And generally, it translates to I am using with toothbrush. Gi is with. It's
Mm-hmm.
not really it's with the toothbrush. So I use with toothbrush. That is the translation. So gi translates to with. Please don't forget that. Okay.
Okay.
Where's my gi equal with, and the other one was what? Gi equal to with. What does mean?
It means on the.
That's correct. Now, I want us to go ahead and look at the next sentence so that you tell me what it means and how to do it. So the next sentence is a bed. Create a sentence with a bed.
That's kind of generic.
I sleep on the bed. Now, can you try and give us an answer for this of all that you know? Put the words. Can you mix Luo and English? Just put the words, the English and the words that you do not know.
Okay. Wait. I don't know what bed means.
So that means that you do not know what the word bed means. First of all, the word lala is Swahili. It's not really English. It's not really Luo. But I sleep. Sleep is Nindo. And then bed. Bed is this. There's a very old meaning for bed, but there's also a new meaning. The new meaning is kind of mixed with Swahili, but the old, leave the there.
Okay.
The old one is kind of like ngango.
Nyango.
Can you say ngango?
Ngango.
Yeah, but that's rare. So instead, we say otanda.
Otanda.
Which one is better for you?
I'm gonna say otanda.
Yes. Anindo e otanda. Lamp.
Otanda.
Lamp. Give me a sentence. And lamp is called tire. So can you write the sentence for that? Bet. What does bet mean?
Bet. Okay.
Bet means?
Wait, no. Huh? That's not the right one.
Yeah, bet means sitting.
Yeah, sitting.
So what would you use?
Heel.
Yes. Now remember we said what does mean? On the, right? And in the otanda, I use the lamp. So yes, that's correct. The answer is tire. Yes. Atio tire. With lamps. Because just remember, if you're looking at things like lamps, you use the word with. If you're using if it's something that you have to work with, then you use the word with. All right, the next one is stove. Let's see what you got for stove. I cook on the stove. Now, can you translate whatever you know first? Mix. Just if you do not know anything, just put it in English. Good. Tedo. Cook is tedo. And stove is, wait, what is stove? What is stove?
I don't know. Don't ask me.
I think I put jiko, but I don't think it's jiko. Okay. Atedo e jiko. Yes. Okay. Food.
Oh yeah. Okay, that's too simple. That's too simple.
Mm-hmm. Now, can you translate what you think you know?
Mm, Hold up. B means with, right?
Mm-hmm.
So I can't use that word. What does the mean if I'm not?
Now, for this thing, for the food is good, actually the translation will just be food good. The,
Mm-hmm.
the and is will not be there. You'll just say food good. So, and food is chiemo.
Mm-hmm. GMO.
Then the word, when you're saying itinadi, what do you say?
Adi my bear.
So what's that word bear? Bear, what does bear mean?
Good.
So, what is the, now can you write the answer for this?
GMO bear.
Yes, that's all you do. So food good is just chiemo bear.
Mm-hmm.
Did you type it in?
Yes, it's in the
Oh,
next
it's in the
page.
next page. Okay. So that is food is good, chiemo bear. Clothes.
Mm. Mm-hmm.
Yep. Now translate them.
I forgot what stuff meant.
So put is ruako. And then clothes are leoni. But because you say my clothes, you'll say lepa. So that is my clothes, okay?
Mm-hmm.
A ruako. Ruako is put on. So remove that on part. There you go. Water.
I'm thirsty now.
I drink the water. What what is that? uh can you get another example, like an easier one? Because that one is going into some territory I don't want to teach today. Yeah, that's good. So now what do you know?
Mm, wait.
Hmm?
Can I just skip the?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And what's water?
Uh,
I think you know. Collect is choco. And water is pee.
oh,
You know water. Come
I
on.
did not know that.
You know water.
I did not know that.
All right. So the last one of the day is fish.
Mm-hmm.
And what will you say about the fish? So slice is ngado.
Mm-hmm.
And fish is rich.
Wait, you're not working with the fish.
No. So it's just that ngadorech. Yes, that's correct.
Mm-hmm.
Well, and that's it. So let's just review from where we started and then we go on. So this is day 2. And where did we start? There do we do. Okay, so start from there.
Wait, table, right?
No, you can see day 2.
Oh
Where
yeah,
it says
yeah.
day 2.
Okay, I'm going to school means add the school.
Correct.
I'm going to church means add the lemo.
Uh-huh.
I'm going to the shop means add the duka.
Yes.
I'm going to the market means add the chiro.
Shiro.
Chiro. Chiro.
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
I am going to a house means add the oat.
correct.
I'm going to my friend means add the osiepna.
Yes, but now I say that in this one there's something missing here. There's another word missing. We shall put that word tomorrow. Okay,
Okay.
good.
Table.
What does
I
table mean? Do you
It
remember?
means mesa.
Mesa, correct.
I am eating on the table means achiemo e mesa.
Good. Because air means
On the
correct.
I am sitting on the chair
Yep.
means
Mm-hmm.
abet e com.
Correct.
I use the toothbrush is atiogi maswa
Because they in this context means
with.
with. Okay. Mm-hmm.
I sleep on the bed means a nindo e otanda.
So can you give each can you color each of them like I becomes like I and A, and then can you color them so that we see which one means what?
Hmm.
Give them a different color.
Wait, no, that's the wrong one. There.
Mm-hmm.
And then these is really red. And then this is slightly less red. Oh, wrong one.
Why would you do the same, Tony? There's so many colors there. Why would you just use red?
No, these two are different colors.
Oh, I'm only seeing the same color. Good. But that means I becomes A, sleep becomes Nindo, on the E, bed otanda, right?
Do I have to do every single time?
If it's on there, then you have to say E.
Like, do I have to color every
Oh no
time?
no 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 no. I'm just that this was just so that you can separate what's going on there.
Okay.
Mhm. So then let's move on.
I use the lamp
Mhm.
means atiogi taya.
So lamp means tire, right?
Mm-hmm.
Correct. Let's move on to the next one. It's okay. Don't color it. Just use.
Okay. Wait. Where was I? Stove. Okay.
So
I cook on the stove means atedo e jiko.
okay.
The food is good means chiamo bear.
So in this case, what has happened? They and is have been we've kicked them out.
Done.
We don't know
Yeah.
we didn't need them for this particular expression.
I put on my clothes means arako lepa.
How is this? These are 3 words and the other one is 5 words. So where have all the other ones gone?
Mm. I is that.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, no, wrong color. Wrong color. I is of course. Put
Mm-hmm.
on is ruako.
Mm-hmm.
And my clothes is lepa. Specifically lepa for my clothes.
Yes, you see this this on lepa. This
Mm-hmm.
it's the one that is standing in for my.
Mm-hmm.
Anything that belongs to you, you put an at the end.
Mm-hmm.
So that means it belongs to you. So lep is clothes, but lep are my clothes. So
Hmm.
that's where the my turned into an
Okay.
Okay.
Water. I collect the water means
Mm-hmm.
a choco p.
Correct. And
The
finally,
doesn't really count because it's not
it's
with.
yes, I collect water. That's the same thing as I collect water.
Mhm. Um
Correct. Mm-hmm.
I slice the fish means angado rich.
Correct. Good. So that's it. That is it for day 2. And what do you tell the listeners?
Or repeat. Also remember to like and subscribe. Goodbye.
Goodbye.